Today I will work on my BMW 740i 2017 with a B58 engine, and when I bought this car, the tractor was loading the car on the trailer, and he damaged the rail control arm. I will show you now. One of them I already installed, and this is the second one. This wheel is moved, is turned a little bit to the center. It means that when you drive, your car can flip to the right side. Yeah, and actually you cannot adjust the rear wheels on 7 Series. You have to replace the arms. There are a lot of them. I don't know how much, probably 5, 6, 7, I don't know. But you can adjust only from front wheel, I mean the alignment. And yeah, for this job you need just to unscrew the bolts, install another arm, and this arm is over here. Here's the damage. I don't know how that's happened, but I need to replace this control arm themselves. First of all, I need to unscrew here. Here is 8 millimeters. Revert this plastic piece to unscrew this plastic piece. Then I will get the access from. I need to unscrew this plate, and then I will be able to unscrew this bolt. Also, I need to unscrew this plastic here, also because it's on way, and I will be able to unscrew. Actually, it's not needed. I can unscrew this bolt without taking this plastic off. Yeah, let's begin the work. Damage. So you can see how bad it is. Yeah, just unscrew the 2 bolts, and I will install the 1 bolt there. Then I will lift the rotors up, and then I will be able to match this bolt with the arm bolt in the first bushing, and for here as you can see I am not able to match it, and I will lift this side up and it will match. As you can see, it almost there. Actually, I can probably try to install it. A little bit more. Yeah, I'm there. It doesn't work properly. I'll use another method. I will install from one side to the another. Okay. First of all, I will just move this thing. Okay, should work. batteries. I will not tighten it completely. Okay. Okay. I will screw this sensor back. This is for causality level. Okay. Офигеть, слезла скотина. Жесть. С каких пор? Хорошо. i G12. Finally I finished project. Yeah, I just need to replace one sensor, parking module, and yeah, it will completely done. But right now the car drive very good, because I replaced the real control arms, and yeah, I'm happy.